This is the game called Jenga. Enadhu? Jenga. So what we will do it is unga table la naanga set pannirvom. We will only set it up. Okay, is it very clear? So you can see there are 18 floors. Idala ungalku and the blocks soluvanga. Wooden blocks are placed in like this 90 degrees format la irukku. இப்படி நேரா இருக்காது. ஒன் இந்த ஓரியன்டேஷன் இருக்குன்னா அடுத்த ஓரியன்டேஷன் இப்படி இருக்கும். How many floors are there? 18 floors. Okay, we'll be playing in a very simple way. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்னா இங்க everybody, let us say Robin is going to start. Robin start பண்ணானா clockwise ல போவோம். Robin அடுத்தது யார் விளையாடுவாங்க? ஸ்ரீனிவாசன். Then இது clockwise like this. Yeah, ஸ்ரீனிவாசன். Then கவிதா. Then Pavan in the மாதிரி சுத்திட்டே இருக்கும். So what you will do is, objective of the game is you will get 5 minutes. Soumya? எவ்வளோ?
5 minutes.
How many minutes? 5 minutes. The team which is making the tallest standing tower will get about 1,000 points. How many points? And the most important rule, no communication. Communication la there are two things, verbal and non-verbal. Verbal and non, இப்படி இது non-verbal. This is also called as communication. This is called as non-verbal communication. Verbal is பேசுறது, non-verbal கூட அதுவும் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Anybody who is not following the rules will get disqualified. On your marks, get set, go. Everybody, participation equals to fun. How many of you having fun? Say aye. Fun equals to LNL, lessons and learning, and equals to points. Okay, so what did we learn from this? Enna learn pannom? Concentration learn pannom. Very nice, Elfi sir. Teamwork is dream work, but teamwork nadandudha. Could we work as a team? Individual responsibility kuda. Okay.
They support each other. சொல்லாம எல்லாமே அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு எல்லாமே each other சப்போர்ட் பண்ணாங்க சார். எந்த இதுவும் பண்ணாங்க. நீங்க வின் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, but still it is very less. We miss communication. Correct? We miss. See, though you are a team, but communication illadanaala, did you feel like a team? Did you feel like that you are working in a team? So communication is very important to work in a team also. Good, clear communication இருந்தாதான் teamwork will work. Teamwork works if there is communication. Communication இல்லைன்னா கிடையாது. We made a rule in this game that you cannot have verbal, you cannot have non-verbal. Communication இல்லாம எவ்வளவு கஷ்டமா இருந்தது. Correct? You cannot build anything. Your career you cannot build without communication. You cannot build your own growth, your personal life, professional life. எதுவுமே grow ஆகாது. You cannot build it unless you have proper communication. எத்தனை பேருக்கு மனசுல வந்தது ஊந்தா பிரச்சனை இல்லை, பட் ஏன் கையால விழக்கூடாது? எத்தனை பேருக்கு அது வந்தது? வந்ததா? ஊந்தா ஓகே, பட் ஏன் கையால ஊந்தா சரி கிடையாது. கரெக்ட்? Why did that feeling come? Because of lack of communication. Communication illadanaala. Now we are going to play one more round irukom where we can communicate, plan together, execute together. Proper planning. அந்த சமயத்துல நீங்க பாருங்க அந்த ஃபீலிங் வராது. இந்த ரவுண்ட்ல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். She is very happy. Yes sir. எவ்வளவு டென்ஷனா இருக்குல. என்னடா ஏடாது தோற. Correct, isn't it? Yeah. I saw some hands. Okay, now I am giving you guys 1 minute. I am giving you 1 minute to discuss. On your marks, get set, go. Did you see the difference? First round we were like team.
Communication illama, did it feel like that we are a part of the team? Communication, teamwork cannot work. Team starts from home. வீட்டிலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். Imagine a house. ஒரு ஹவுஸ் நடந்துக்க. அம்மா is in one direction, அப்பா is in one direction, child is no direction. Please understand, a communication is needed not just at work. It needs everywhere. If communication is not there, you can't build anything. Career build பண்ணோமா, wealth build பண்ணோமா, confidence build பண்ணோமா, எல்லாத்துக்கும் என்ன வேணும்? Communication வேணும். Work company. See, Andritz is not 1%, 2% or 10%. It is everybody. Everybody has to communication. Communication is the base. Team இருந்துட்டு கூட, did it feel like a team? First round la? No. Second round? Confidence better இருந்ததா இல்லையா? Yes or no? And the first discussion, later on discussion was very easy. Correct? We did not have any faults at all. They had a mishap starting la avungalukku aidichu, but confident la pochla. If I had given you 1 or 2 minutes, I think all of you would have crossed 30. Yes or no? Yes. Correct? Easily. You can build anything if you have good communication, and communication is the foundation. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anju ji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Dey, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.